So there is a reason why people get boxers as pets. This is the reason. They are extremely jumpy and happy. As you can see, this guy looks extremely happy. That ugly face is extremely cute. I love boxers. I love all the dogs and I love boxers. Okay, so this was his Christmas cap. Let me put it back on him. He doesn't want to. Okay, so today we are planning to work on the RXZ. So what I did off camera is yesterday I actually accidentally visited a junkyard and I got a brake hose. So I actually believe in gravity bleeding, so it is being kept for getting bled. In the meantime, I also do not have these screws, so what I have put here is temporary. So yeah, let's open the side cover and then we'll start working on it. But before that, I'll put it somewhere over there so that there is better lighting. So before we go on that side, one more thing that I got yesterday done is I actually got the leak fix. So if you see, the paint is gone here, so probably I'll get it slightly touched once the bike starts running. So we still do not have front brakes, so like you can see, there is absolutely no feel. So since I do not have a bleeder, there is no way I can bleed it without the gravity bleeding it. Otherwise there are methods, like I can actually connect the bleeder valve to a pipe and I can connect that pipe to a syringe. Or maybe another thing that I can do is I can actually freely keep pouring the brake fluid through here, and I can open the bleed valve and I can bleed into a bottle, so that that works. But it's okay, time is something that I'm not really worried about, so I'll get it done. So the next thing is we'll have to take the bike out somewhere over there and then start working on it. Okay. I'm not sure whether you guys can see it, but it is slightly bent, so I'll have to take the clutch out and then redo the entire thing. Okay, so I'm going to take the clutch out. The battery on the camera is low, so I'm not showing you guys how I removed the other 3 bolts, but it is pretty similar to what I'm doing right now. So yeah, once I remove this 4 bolts, can take the pressure plate out. So yeah, I've removed all 4 clutch bolts, and now the pressure plate comes out. This is the clutch plunger, and that was the ball which fell down. But since we have this new flooring, it won't go very far. So now we need to open the clutch. This is an 18 mm nut. Okay, so let me break the bad news. The engine has to come out because looks like something is getting stuck inside. This usually doesn't happen, but yeah, sometimes it does. So yeah, it sucks. At this stage, reopening the engine is something which I was not contemplating, but looks like we have to. Okay, so I guess that's a wrap. So yeah, in my world things always go wrong, so we'll have to take out the engine and we'll have to rebuild it all over again. So good thing is I can do it probably in a day, but the bad thing is we don't have a day till the next weekend. So yeah, it sucks that I cannot ride this bike despite it being so complete, but yeah, it's okay. Bad things do happen. So what I'll do is probably I'll just go give the things for the RX100 for plating. I'll take out these L brackets from the RXZ and the swing arm, and I'll put it in the 100 and make this at least test ready, so that it looks like this bike can be retested without any problem. And then probably we'll have these things powder coated, painted by that time, and then we'll put it back into this. So yeah, it pretty much sucks that we have to do this at such a late stage.